In this video, I'll show you how to find your archived posts on Facebook quickly and easily. Sometimes you archive a post instead of deleting it, so it disappears from your profile but isn't permanently removed. The good news is you can still access those posts anytime from the archive section. First, open the Facebook app and tap on your profile picture to go to your profile. Then tap the three dots next to the Edit Profiles button. This will open your profile settings. From there, tap on Activity Log. Inside the Activity Log, look for the Archive option and tap on it. Here you'll see different types of archived content. Tap on Posts Archive, and Facebook will show you all the posts you previously archived. You can tap on any archived post to view it. If you want to put it back on your profile, simply open the post and choose the option to Restore to Profile, and it will become visible again. And that's it. That's how you can find your archived posts on Facebook in just a few steps. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials.